Today, I'll walk you through how to use the appointment schedule in Google Calendar, even if you're a total beginner or just need a quick refresher. By the end of this guide, you'll know exactly how to create and manage your booking link so you can streamline your scheduling process. To get started, head over to Google Calendar. You can do this by typing calendar.google.com into your browser. Once you're there, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout. It's a user-friendly interface designed for easy navigation. Now on the left pane of your screen, you'll see an option labeled Booking Details. Click on the plus icon next to it. This action will allow you to create your personal booking link and schedule. Think of it as setting up your own appointment desk online. Next, make sure to fill in important details such as your booking page title. This is crucial as it helps your clients understand what kind of appointments they can book with you. Don't worry if your dashboard looks slightly different. Google often updates its interface, but the functionality remains the same. After entering your title, click on the Appointment Duration menu. This is where you can manage your time efficiently. You'll see a drop-down menu that allows you to personalize the length of your appointments. This flexibility ensures that you can cater to different types of meetings, whether they are quick check-ins or longer consultations. Once you've set your appointment duration, click on the Next button to proceed with the next steps. This will take you to a page for booking form configurations. Here, you can tailor the form based on the information you need from the people booking into your link. Think of it as customizing a questionnaire for your clients. After configuring your booking form, click on Save to make sure your changes are applied. It's important to confirm that everything is set up correctly before sharing your link. To double-check your booking link, simply use the Copy Link button. This will allow you to grab the URL that clients will use to schedule appointments with you. Once you have copied the link, paste it into a new window to see your booking page. Here, you can choose any random time to test if your scheduling link works as intended. Finally, click on Book with the details to finalize a test appointment. Once you're satisfied, click on Close to exit the booking page. And there you have it. You've successfully set up your appointment schedule in Google Calendar. This tool is a fantastic way to manage your time and ensure that your clients can easily book appointments with you. If this helped you out, please give the video a thumbs up. If you run into any snags, leave a comment below. Subscribe for more actionable guides. Thanks for watching.